Hello students. So now we are going to understand about the number system. What we have different types of numbers in our mathematics up to 10th level. Okay. So what we are going to study is from the first class we introduce you the numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to as much as you can remember. So today we are going to know about the different types of number what we know. Okay, so the first one and the favorite one of everyone is natural numbers. These are the favorite ones. Why? Because you are studying it from the first class. You love it. So it starts from the side. Wait, we denote it with the capital N. So it starts from 1, after that 2, after that 3. So adding of a one positive number, it gives you 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. After that, what comes? One more. Whole number. So here whole numbers. So whole numbers are starting from, if we add 0 to this natural number, okay, so what we can write, 0 union natural numbers. So what we can say that this is 0, 1, 2, 3 and up to infinity. So adding of a 0 in natural number, it makes it whole number. Okay. Now the third one. After that, what we can get to know about integers. So integers is denoted by Z. In integers, these are the positive series. 0, 1, 2, 3 are the positive numbers. If we introduce the negative also, then it becomes integer. Likewise, from minus infinity to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to positive infinity. Okay. So in integer we have two types. Okay. First one is positive integers. The second one is negative integers. What are positive integers? Positive integers are 1, 2, 3 up to plus infinity. So basically positive integers are the natural numbers. For the negative integers, these are the minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to minus infinity. Now, one quick question comes in your mind. So, where is 0 goes? So, 0 is neither positive nor negative. 0 is neutral. We can say it is not in the positive one and not in the negative one. It is an integer, but not the positive one and not the negative one. Now, after that comes rational numbers. So what are rational numbers? Rational numbers is that numbers which we can write in p by q form and q is not equals to 0. Okay. So what are rational numbers? We can write it, for example, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, up to any infinity number, or minus 1, 1 by 2, minus 3 by 4. These are the rational numbers where q is not equal to 0. Okay, in that also, after reaching up to this numbers, we can write it. Look, in rational number, all integers are contained. So rational number, we can say that all integers are rational number. In this, we can say that all whole numbers are integers. In this, we can say that all natural numbers are whole number. Okay, so in rational number, integer contain, in the integer whole number contain, in whole number natural number contain. So basically these three numbers are in the rational number. Okay, so these three numbers are also rational number, like 1 is rational, 2 is rational, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2, -3, all are rational numbers. Okay, after that here one more number added, that is irrational number. Now, one more question arises. Sir, what are irrational numbers? When we already know the rational number. Irrational numbers are those numbers which are non-terminating, and non-recurring number. For the rational number, in these words, these are non-terminating or terminating, but these are recurring. If non-terminating but recurring is a rational number, or terminating is terminating. That's it. So difference between rational number and irrational number, it can be written in p by q form. Q is not equal to 0. Irrational can be written in p by q form, but q cannot be 0. But basic difference is non-terminating, non-recurring. Likewise, we have irrational number. Example are √2, √3, any other √5. All are irrational. Any other number like 2 plus √5 is also irrational. After a certain digit, it is non-terminating and its numbers are non-repeating also. Okay. In rational number, they can be non-repeating, like 1/3. 1/3 is a repeating number. Okay, so it's recurring, means a number is coming every time, but it's non-terminating, it never ends. Non-terminating, never ends. Like, have you seen the movie Terminator? From that thing we got the name terminating and non-terminating. Terminator means खत्म करने वाला, non-terminating जो खत्म ही नहीं होता. तो ये non-terminating होता है और इसके डिजिट्स रिपीट नहीं होते. यहाँ पर non-terminating तो हो सकता है कि हाँ भाई खत्म नहीं हो रहा, पर इसके डिजिट रिपीट्स होंगे. लाइक 1/3 is 0.333333. We put 0.3 bar. Okay. So likewise this we differentiate. And if we add these all numbers, natural, whole, integer, rational and irrational, this will make a big number, that is real numbers. Okay, so real numbers contain all these numbers and we name it real numbers. In real number, natural number is there, whole number is there, integer, rational, irrational, all numbers are in the real numbers. So basically, real number is the set of all these numbers and we can write it by capital R. Okay. So this is how our number system works. In that also we have more numbers like composite number, prime numbers, other things. But these are the basic, and this is after mixing all that, adding all that, we got the real numbers. This is the basic concept of real numbers, how we get the real numbers. In that also we have to find the two irrational number between two rational number, or two rational number between two real numbers. Anything we have to find. And we need also know about the number line like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, the positive side, and -1, -2, -3, the negative side. Okay, so after that we are going to prove √2, √3 and in some other class. Okay, thank you.